Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw your Bitcoin from Kraken to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With the latest updates and enhanced security features, this process is faster and safer than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you moving your assets with confidence. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you haven't already, head to the Kraken website or app and enter your credentials. Remember, always use a secure connection to protect your info. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw section, usually found in the account dashboard or under the Funds tab. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Select Bitcoin from the drop-down menu. Now, for the key part, you need your Arculus wallet address ready. Open your Arculus app, go to the Receive section, and copy the Bitcoin address. It's that long string of letters and numbers, so double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Back on Kraken, paste that address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum limits and fees. In 2025, Kraken has streamlined this with smart contract integration, so you'll see an estimated transaction time right away. Don't forget security. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already, and Kraken might prompt you for an extra verification code. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. Sit tight while the network processes your withdrawal. It could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on blockchain congestion. Finally, once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the Bitcoin has arrived. And there you go. You've successfully withdrawn your crypto. If you run into any issues, reach out to Kraken's support or double-check your wallet settings. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.